Come take this your journey with me to the Gullah Geechee Nation. Look out upon this your shoreline and thing. From Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah, upon the shores of these your sea islands and thing. You can look out to this your water. When we done replant, we asked about so much a different time and thing like that. For keep, we line the stand and thing like that. Even as this wind blow, I bring the water in so. Yeah, the same water will bring we in, quite take we back like we ancestors been to do. Grind down this your shoreline for thing for we nam fun too. But now as things are changing, we're getting blocked off, blocked out, as the rising tides are now a place on which we stand, where it ought to be dry land, where the fields are that we feed each other from. It's unlike when our ancestors grew this Carolina gold and they had the dikes and they could control the flooding. Yes, the same land that was to be given from Charleston and all the abandoned rice fields southward to Fernandina, where my ancestors, who be Gullah Geechee, planted the soil. They pumped the water to bring it up above ground, and the same land that they cleared by hand that we plant even unto this day now is no longer like they used to be with the horse-drawn carts and the mules. We still work it by hand. We still carry on the traditions that they did. We have the seeds that they left, that Carolina gold that goes not only in the soil but into our souls as we pridefully keep up their traditions in the midst of what is changing. Yes, the climate all around us, but yet we hold on to our culture. We find the rice, we yeddi from the elders and think, how to do them like it used to do them back in Yona, as we hold upon every seed that can true to the next generation. And so as we find, we hold on to the hands and we nurture the seeds as we harvest these same fields that they worked, and yet we have to hold on to this for the next generation as they did for us. So as we prepare the meals for now, we also have to prepare them somehow for the future. We preserve them. We put them away in the jars, because even within hours of harvesting from the same fields, we're now finding that also is incoming the waters. Look at this. This is madness. I had just harvested there, and within the half an hour, look at that. Just took the pictures of me getting the okra and tomatoes for the day. And talking to my plants. Look at that, that's crazy. Yeah. God had it cut them just in time. Be wading through the water to get in there now. Wow, we are adapting, we're still growing, we're still harvesting, but we are taking our traditions and going back to old landmark, even as the sea levels rise and we are amidst the roots. We know that we, as our ancestors were in the midst of the hurricanes, are victoriously Gullah Geechee, this shudder who we be, as we know Hunter must take care of the root, to heal the tree. Thank you for taking this lead journey with me to this your land in the sea.